friends, welcome to STEAM Club Kitchen Edition. I'm Miss Kathy. Today we are focusing on water. Have you ever noticed when you look out the window when it's raining and you watch the raindrops slide down the window? Have you ever noticed what happens when two raindrops meet? That attraction is called cohesion, and it's what happens when a substance, like water, sticks to itself. Today we are going to explore cohesion as well as adhesion, which is when a substance sticks to other things. So let's get started. The first experiment demonstrates both cohesion and adhesion. What you're going to need is a small pitcher with some water. You're going to need a cup or a glass, and you're going to need a piece of string that you've soaked in the water and gotten a little bit wet. All right? And you're going to tie the string to the handle of the pitcher, and then you're going to drape it across the top of the pitcher so that it goes over the spout. And the other end is going to be in the glass, and you're going to hold it pretty taut against the side of the glass. And if we do this experiment right, gravity will not pull the water down all over my table, but instead it will slide down the string because of cohesion and adhesion. Let's go. Can you see the water going down the string?
The adhesion
Is when it's sticking to the string,
and the cohesion
when it's sticking to itself. Right? So cohesion and adhesion is a property of water. Are you ready for our next experiment in cohesion, where water sticks to itself? For this experiment, you're going to need a glass of water, a piece of wax paper, a toothpick, and a straw. To begin this experiment, you're going to dip your straw into the glass of water and then cover the top of the straw with your finger so that you can carefully put the drop of water on the wax paper. And then you're going to do that 3 more times so that you have 4 nice sized drops of water on your wax paper. Then you're going to take your toothpick and you're going to dip it in the water so that it gets wet. And then you're going to hold it near the water, but not touching the water, and watch what happens. The water kind of jumps up to meet the toothpick because the toothpick has water on it, and that's cohesion. It's attracted to itself, isn't it? All right, so now let's see if we can get the water to drag across. It's moving a little bit, isn't it? Can we get the water to drag across and meet the other water? And now we have a bigger drop of water. Cohesion. Woo! Got that one going pretty fast. Oh, now I got little drops of water. Bloop. All right, now I have 1 big drop of water because water is attracted to itself. It's also attracted to other things. Cohesion and adhesion. It's kind of fun to twirl this little bubble of water around and make different little blob shapes. Lastly, I want to share a fun cohesion game that you can play with your family. For each participant, you're going to need a small container of water and a straw. If you want to, you can add a little food coloring, different food coloring to each container so that you know whose water is whose. And you're going to need a racetrack. The racetrack is a piece of wax paper with lines drawn on it for each contestant, a start line and a finish line. Just use a ruler and a permanent marker. And each contestant will put a little drop of water at the start line. And then you're going to use your straw to blow your water to the finish line. Are you ready? All right, to start your race, you have a drop of water at the start for each player. You're going to blow through your straw and move your drop of water to the finish line. If your drop of water comes apart, you have to blow it back together, and the first person to the end wins. Ready? Go. Oh, close race. My drop of water broke apart right at the finish line, and it went into the other player's lane. But good race, good try. Try it at home with your family and have some fun.